Fuzhou Kimstone Ceramic Technology Company Limited was focused on kamado grill since 2018. We are a comprehensive enterprise integrating production, sales, and research for kamado grills. At present, customers from more than 150 countries choose Kimstone products. All our products have strict inspection procedures before leaving the factory. All kamado grill meet the LFGB FDA certification standards. And we also have BSCI approval certification. And we are supplier of the world's top 500. More than 80% of our sales team has at least 3 years of industry sales experience. We understand the needs of the industry and customers, can quickly help customers to do a good job in product selection and industry marketing, and continuously improve the value for customers, enhance the market competitiveness of customers. At the same time, our research and development team has more than 10 years of industry experience and has research and development and innovation tasks for products every month to enhance the attraction and competitiveness of our products in the market. Customer first is the business philosophy of our company. Only with the continuous development of customers can our company develop. We take the interests of customers first and continuously provide competitive products for customers, satisfactory shopping experience, and safe after-sales guarantee. We believe Kimstone will be your best choice, which is also the reason why there are so many customers from worldwide choose our products. We look forward to future cooperation with you.